going on, guys? We left the last video off on the Bennett house where we were doing the foundation, had the foundation all done. So now we're on to the framing stage, which is framing is getting underway. So let's jump right into the video.
You can see we've got the framing underway, and this is going to be a two-story house. So we have the first floor and the floor joist, the outside of it done. Walking in, and we have 2x12 floor joists under this with our outside walls up, all the windows framed, back door. It's looking really good. It's nice to see it's starting to take shape. Really solid floor. We've got no movement in it at all, which is really nice to feel. So it's looking good. Can't wait to see, it start going up and all the interior walls go in. I'll just take a quick walk around this outside, right side and the back of it just to take a look at it, which looks really nice on top of this foundation. Still, again, really happy with how the foundation turned out, and it's going to be really solid. So that's our kitchen window there, which is right above our crawl space. We are going to have a deck across the back as well.
Well, we've got the second floor joists on. Making good progress on this framing, and with the interior walls up, it's starting to look like a house and like it's drawn out to be. And really, honestly, with the walls going up, it looks really a lot more spacious than just standing in here with it empty. So it's looking really good standing in the kitchen right here, looking back into the living room and over into the dining room here, bathroom, and then the office up front. So we are moving. Bathroom, and this is the office area. Looking good. So with the whole house framed, we're at the point where we're needing to backfill so we can build the front and back porches, because we need to get this a nice grade. So we're going to go ahead. I got the foundation vents all taped off and got it cleaned up the best I can. So we're going to get this foundation painted so we can get a little bit of a seal on it, protect against water, and then we can have them come and do their backfill. We got the foundation painted and our final grade and backfill done, and it looks great. Really nice. Super happy with how it turned out, with how the paint looks and with the level of the lot. Guys did a really good job on this. Looks really good along the back, and we just threw down some mulch right here from our pile that we chipped up from all the trees that we cut down on this property, just to help with a little bit of erosion control until we can get everything situated with the roof. But for now, the mulch will help a little bit on the erosion. So now that we have this all done and the backfill finished, we can start building our back porch and our front porch. So we can take a look at that next. We're done with our framing. We got windows in. We got our front porch built. Got to put More handrails on each side and the board for the riser right there, but looks really nice. Really happy with how this front porch turned out, how the windows look. Still need a few more brackets on the top of the porch, but it's no big deal. Did have a hurricane come through and blew over this tree, so you know the lot's still good. Got a little bit of a ditch going, but really minor issues on the erosion. Then we have our back porch, which again still need the top to this, but otherwise really happy with how the framing looks. And we have some of the trades coming in right now, but I'll save that for the next video. We'll go through the entire floor plan of the house. We'll get the full layout of it, show the rooms, all our spaces. We'll check out all the trades, see what everything looks like as we're getting into the rough stages. But that's going to be it for this video. Really excited with the progress that we're seeing, and really just kind of dreams and imagination coming to reality. So really excited with this and hope you're enjoying it, and we'll catch you in the next one.